Right, so here's the situation. I just dug this all out, and if you look, I definitely got a leak right there. So I'm probably gonna have to cut this here and cut it over there where it's clean, because that pipe right there was crushed by a root going over the top of it. And what it's done is, let me pull back a little bit so you can see, it's created a hole down here. So now I've got to cut that, and I've got to put a new piece of pipe in there, which will require me going to Home Depot, unfortunately. All right, so anyway, I dug more out over here so I can get to a more rounder part. As you can see, this has been flattened, and where it's flattened, we got that drip. So I'm gonna have to cut it way over there. So I'm gonna need a little bit of pipe, and I'm gonna have to get the stuff to glue it all together, and then we can stop that leak. So yeah, that's what we gotta do. You can see where it was draining over there. So yeah, well, we got it excavated. Now we just got to get the parts. How many times do you do this a week? Like 100 times.
And the cool thing is with irrigation, like he'll fix this.
Oh, look at that. That is.
That's called a slip fix.
Oh, a slip fix.
Yeah. So they got sizes to your pipe.
But I think I'm.
You got to get up there a little bit farther because it's compressed.
It's compressed all the way down to there.
I'm gonna take it all the way to that. That there.
That's it right there, man.
Another
Looks
couple.
pretty clean.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a piece of pipe.
So that slip fit is not long enough for that, is it?
No. Like the only reason is because you probably had a hole like this big.
Yeah.
But the compression.
So you can see over here, here's the piece. Let's look and see where.
Right there.
Oh, that's it right there? Oh, shoot.
Right there. See that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And as small as it is, holy shit, does it throw some water.
Yeah, I'm like, it was like blowing water out of there.
Oh.
Crazy.
You know?
When the pressure comes on, I guess that's.
Pressure comes on, dude.
All right. Oh, I see. So we'll use the slip thing and then put one of those things over there.
Add more.
Is it not cut enough?
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes.
It's on there.
So now he's gonna take some pipe, get it close enough so where you can slip that slip fix on.
So that makes it easier to connect it.
Yeah, so he's measuring it basically.
Yeah.
He wants a little bit of extra so he can actually feed it into the, so it can have some purchase, you know?
Yeah.
Not so extra that you gotta flex it to bend it.
And this stuff here is just epoxy, right?
Yeah. It's just some serious glue.
Oh, that's good. Oh, wow.
So he cut that long and he can just cut off a piece and get to where he needs to be. He does this a lot more than me.
So this is a fast way to do it because you don't have to get the tape measure out or nothing.
Oh, well, this is really, I mean, like, you could do it with, you know, couplings, but the slip fix is the way to go.
Yeah, it's a quick fix. It fills in the hole right quick.
Mm-hmm.
Now, can you get those at Home Depot? I don't think so. I've never seen that there.
What?
That slip fit.
They probably have it there.
Oh, really?
It's probably there. I know we don't shop there, so
Yeah, we go somewhere else, but
yeah,
like,
we go somewhere else.
I guarantee you Home Depot's gonna have something like that.
Oh, wow. This is the easiest way to do it, man. Shit. I just learned something today.
Mm-hmm. You filming the whole thing, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Tom, you better call me.
Then I remember how, well, yeah, because I don't like doing it, so
No,
that's it. Look,
I think they got everything at Home Depot, but I'll tell you what, you're gonna pay for that.
how much does that cost?
That's gonna all this at Home Depot and the cutters and stuff like you don't have to cut some pipe now.
Yeah, I got to get a cut. I've got one of those things.
If you
but,
got one of those,
yeah.
things, but yeah, it's gonna. I can't tell you, but it ain't gonna cost you no less than $50.